Children are the mirrors of our society. Many a times with their innocent thoughts and their pure minds, they teach us some lesson which we may abide by for the rest of our lives. We at Katha Srot strive to bring you such kathas where we may portray or we may show you the courage and the bravery of such children. I am Katha Vachak and welcome to the realm of Katha. We'll bring you a series of stories of some kids, of some children who have shown their bravery and their courage to the world. So let's begin. This Katha is based on a true story. This is from a village called Ramnagar in a district called Saharanpur. There was a small child named Satish who used to live in a very small village near Ramnagar. On the night of 18th February 1980, suddenly everyone in the village was woken up by gunshots. Nobody understood what was happening. All around them were the sounds, loud sounds of gunshots. And then they realized that they were being attacked by dacoits. Everybody was really scared and nobody knew what to do. In the same village, there was a small child named Satish. He was a very brave and courageous kid. He thought for a bit and realized that they cannot allow the dacoits to run away because this would become an everyday occurrence there. So he spoke with his family, but everyone was really scared and they didn't know what to do. So Satish crept out of his house and started going to different houses slowly and stealthily. He told everyone that they should not allow the dacoits to run away and they should not be waiting for the police force to come because police station was very far away. Initially everyone was really scared, but then they saw this small kid trying to do something, and so a little courage started creeping up in them. So slowly and steadily different people and lots of people started collecting near the house where the dacoits were hidden. Still there was a lot of darkness and nobody knew where exactly the dacoits were hidden. So they didn't know what to do. Plus they also didn't have any weapons with them. The only things that they had with them were sticks and some stones. So now Satish had an idea. To understand the situation, Satish slowly climbed up the walls of the house where the dacoits were hidden. But due to the darkness, he couldn't exactly see where they were. But due to their shouts and their voices, he had a vague idea of where they were exactly hidden. So he took one stone and threw it as hard as he could. The stone didn't hit any dacoit, but it hit a gun and it broke in two. The dacoits were crazy out of their mind and they started shooting randomly. But Satish climbed down the wall slowly. He realized that dacoits were using torches to see the people and shoot at them. So again he came up with an idea. He collected a lot of grass and then he again slowly climbed up the wall. Seeing the dacoits' torches, he got a vague idea of where they were. He lit up the grass and he threw the grass towards the dacoits. Suddenly the whole compound was lit up and people could exactly see where the dacoits were hidden. People started throwing their sticks and stones inside the compound and dacoits were really taken aback by this sudden onslaught. They started running away from the house and the village. In this whole confusion, one of the dacoits fired a shot which hit Satish near his eye. Now although this little kid lost his eye in this battle, but the war was won by the villagers. And after that day, no dacoit again stepped foot into that village. This was the story of Satish's bravery. The Government of India rewarded him with Sanjay Chopra National Bravery Award. Such children are there in every nook and corner of our country who have made our country proud with their bravery and their courage. We'll continue bringing such stories to you. Until that time,